create a vintage clothing and accessories e-commerce website on Weebly. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the sign up button to create a new account. And if you already have an account, just go with login and you proceed to type in your email or your username. And after typing your email, you click on next. And then you proceed to type in your password. So just wait for it to load. And here, after typing your password, you click on login. After logging in, the first step of creating our store is choosing a name for the store. So it doesn't matter what name you give it now, you can always change the name later. Then you click, after choosing the name, you click on continue. Then you have a question and you have 3 answers. You choose the answer that fits you. Then you do the same with this other question. And then you proceed to choosing the category of the items that you will be selling. So my store is in the niche of vintage clothing and accessories. So I'm going to choose clothing and shoes and jewelry and accessories. And then if you can't find your category in this list, you can just go with other, then click on continue. And then if you already have a store in the real world, you type in the address of that store. If not, you just skip this step and then you proceed to your dashboard. So just wait for them to build your store. Then this is your dashboard, as you can see. And here in the right, you have the edit site button, which takes us to the editing phase. And also we have the design now button, which does the same job as the edit site button. And in your left, you have 9 sections, and I'm going to explain each section of them for you. So starting with website, we have the edit site button again, and then we have the domains button where you can set your domain name or change the one that you already have. Then we have the items section where we have the site items if you want to create new products or change the ones that you already have. Then we have the site categories if you want to create categories for the products that you already have, or if you just want to create categories. Then we have options, coupons, gift cards, customer reviews, and item preferences. And that's it for this section. Let's proceed to the next one, which is orders, where you can check all of your orders, see the fulfilled one, the shipped one, the cancelled one, and so on. Then we have the fulfillment section where you can set your pickup settings or your shipping settings. Then we have the reports section where we have the site's traffic reports, site's activity reports, sources reports, online sales reports, site items reports, and abandoned carts. And if you want to see the summary of all these reports, just go with summary. Then we have the marketing section where you can find every tool that is related to growing your audience, starting from email, automated ads, mailing lists, segments, and setup. And again, if you want to see the summary of all these reports, just go with summary. And then we have the communications section where you have the email and text alerts, pop-ups, messenger, and abandoned carts. And last but not least, we have the settings section where you have the general settings if you want to change the company name or your address, your email, your phone number. So just give it a few seconds to load, as you can see. So here you can change your company name, you can change your address, your email, and your phone number. Then we have the checkout where you can set your payment processors like connecting your Stripe account or connecting your PayPal account, and also if you want to change the country and the currency. Then we have the sales taxes where you can set your taxes. And last but not least, you have the units where you can change the language of the site, and also you can edit your units. So that's it guys for these sections. Let's go back to the overview and let's proceed to the editing phase by clicking on the edit site button. As you can see like this, click on edit site and give it something around 30 seconds to load. and then you will be able to see your template and design it the way you want. So just be patient with it to load. And here we have the setup guide if you want to go with it. If not, just ignore it, it will disappear right now. Then they will show us the first thing, which is the site styles, and you will need to choose one of these styles to be the style of your site, and you can always change the style whenever you want. So let's just wait for the template to be fully loaded, and then we choose one of these styles and we check if it fits our store. So here let's choose this one, and then let's click on hide styles, and let's check if it fits our store. So I think this one does not meet my requirements. I'm going to choose this other one, and just from here it's not good. Let's see this one, which is pretty simple. This one too is not very much. Let's check this other one. So I think this one is good. I would just need to change the fonts, and that's it. So let's click on hide styles, then click on apply site styles, and then you proceed to the site's design, where you can change the style again. Also you can add an image to be your logo, change colors, change fonts, which I'm going to change. I'm going to choose Comforta. So let's go with Comforta. That's good now. And let's make this one 18 pixels. That's it. Then click on done. And here let's change the shape of the buttons to rounded, and then click on done. Then we are done with the site's design. And here, if you want to set up your domain, you type in the domain name in here. If not, just close this one, dismiss all, and dismiss again. And here you have the pages that you have in your store if you want to change them or delete one of them. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends. And if you have any question, feel free to drop it in the comment section down below.